What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can send Magic Eden tokens from the Magic Eden wallet to the Phantom wallet. Also, if you guys are interested in some crypto related bonuses, I will leave some relevant links in the description below. And now let's get started. So from here, first off, we would need to get our Phantom wallet address to which we will send our Magic Eden tokens to. So let's just go ahead and open our Phantom wallet. Once your Phantom wallet opens up, you need to go to the Receive tab right here. And from here, simply copy your Solana address. Now we got our Phantom wallet address and we can go and open up the Magic Eden wallet. From here, go to your Portfolio tab right here in the bottom right corner and go over to the Magic Eden token. Now, once you're on the Magic Eden token page, all you need to do is just click on Send right here and input the receiver address, so the address that we just copied from our Phantom wallet, and the amount of Magic Eden tokens that you would like to send. So let's say 1. Then you just need to click Enter right here and continue. Now you need to confirm the transaction, so we're sending 1 Magic Eden token from our Magic Eden wallet to the Phantom wallet. So just go ahead and click Send right here. And sometimes in the Magic Eden wallet, you will just get this black screen right here when you try to do a transaction, so just go ahead and exit this. And let's check our Phantom wallet if the 1 Magic Eden token arrived. And there we go. We have our 1 Magic Eden token right here. So that's guys how you can send your Magic Eden tokens from your Magic Eden wallet to the Phantom wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.